Planning a move abroad, international removals can be complex, but with the right preparation, you can make your relocation smooth and stress-free. Today we'll guide you through everything you need to know. Moving internationally involves more logistics than domestic moves. From customs to transportation, planning ahead ensures your belongings arrive safely, on time, and without unnecessary costs. Select a reputable moving company experienced in international relocations. Check for certifications, insurance coverage, and customer reviews. A professional mover can handle customs paperwork, packing, and shipping efficiently. International moves often require long transit times. Pack items securely using strong boxes and protective materials. Label all items clearly, separate fragile goods, and consider climate-sensitive packing if shipping by sea. Professional movers can provide custom crates for valuable or delicate items. Every country has unique customs regulations. Accurate documentation is key. Prepare inventory lists, proof of ownership, visas, and any import permits required for your destination country. Proper paperwork reduces the risk of delays or extra fees at the border. International shipments can face delays. Arrange temporary storage if needed, and always insure your belongings for the full value. Comprehensive insurance protects against loss, damage, or delays. Your items can travel by air or sea. Air is faster but more expensive, ideal for essential items. Sea freight is cost-effective for larger shipments but takes longer. Choose based on urgency, budget, and volume of goods. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you understand international removals, hit like and subscribe for more expert moving advice. Share your moving questions in the comments below.